Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nailing and we back with another video. Today this video is sponsored by Dsoarhair. They sent me this wig to review. So yeah, let's get straight into this video, period. Now this is a 22-inch 150% density water wave headband wig. It comes with a cute little bonnet, a nice little headscarf or like headband, and some lashes to bring out your inner baddie, feel me? So first what I started by doing is by pulling out my edges because my hair is currently braided, so I just wanted to pull them out a little bit because you can't put on a headband wig with no edges, and that's what I used to lay them down. I did it off camera. So this is the wig, and it was very soft. It looks very nice. However, it does shed quite a bit. Like, I was running my hands through it and hair was coming out through every single glide I took through the hair. And also the ends were like very dry. Like, I kind of wanted to cut them off, but I am going to be doing another video of me wetting the hair. So make sure y'all hit the bell notification so y'all see when I post that. But yeah, the hair was shedding a lot and I was just like, okay, like that's weird. But anyways, I took my scarf off, edges laid, period. They look a little bit crazy, but whatever. And I'm just fixing my wig cap so that you can only really see the edges, and all those little like baby hairs that were standing up kind of got laid back a little bit. So the wig cap has like a little velcro strap in the back so that you can tighten it or whatever. It's pretty strong, not gonna lie. And now I'm just going to put the wig on. It also has clips, so I clipped the back to, you know, like the nape area of my neck. But one thing I will say about this wig is that even though this is a medium-sized cap, it is a little bit small. Mind you, I don't really have a big head and these wig braids are very much flat, but this wig, after wearing it for a couple of days, it does start to like slide off a little bit. Like, it's a little too small. But anyways, I'm just putting the hair up into a little like ponytail with the clip so that I can easily velcro it, because I was trying to do it and the hair just kept getting stuck to the velcro and it was gonna be upset. So I'm just sitting around so you guys can see, like, literally it's just velcro. Like, you just stick it together, super easy, and it does feel like very snug, which is why after wearing it for a couple of days I was kind of shocked at how easily it would start sliding back. And what you see me doing here is I'm just folding the headband part of the wig back a little bit because it's very long, like very long. Maybe the wig was sliding back because I pulled it up too far, but I just folded that in half because that was too much headband. And now I'm just going in with the headband they sent. Y'all, I always put my headbands on that way, like I hold it under my chin and try to like pull it over my head, but that thing was not stretching. Like I was really trying to pull it over my head and it was not going anywhere. So I was like, okay, let me just do it the normal people way, I guess. But I don't know why I didn't start off doing it that way. I probably thought I was gonna mess up the hair or something. But yeah, now I'm just adjusting the headband and you see it perfectly covers the black part, which is why I folded the headband in half, because if I wouldn't have done that, the headband that they sent wouldn't have covered the whole like black strip of headband that you guys saw. So this is what the hair looks like. Like I said, it's water wave and it's pretty cute. It looks really nice. However, I'm somebody who likes definition and volume. Like, I was trying to get a feel for how it looked, but I needed more like volume, more frizz. I like big hair. So I'm just taking a powder brush and brushing it out a little bit, and to me that looks better. Like, when it's more wavy and fuller and fluffy, that's the look I like. That's the look that I was going for. I don't really like the look that it was in, like, I don't know. It's like, you see how like when you take out bantu knots and you can leave it how it is, or you can like pull them apart and get a fluffier look. I'm the person that pulls them apart. So yeah, I was really just feeling the fluffy look. Like, I don't know, it was giving me like modern Mona Lisa. Like, I was just really feeling the big hair, as you guys can see. Like, I don't know, to me it just looked better that way, and I feel like it made the headband wig look more natural. So now I'm just taking a hair tie and I'm just going to be putting the wig into different styles, seeing how it would look. So first I'm just going to be doing a little regular ponytail in the middle of my head. It should be super easy. One thing I will say is that as I was doing this part, you guys see how you could kind of like see my wig cap right there next to the headband. When I was doing that, the wig did start like sliding off a little bit. So I don't know, this wig is like, it's secure, but I don't know, maybe I needed to get a bigger size, even though I've never had to get a large wig, but it was just a little too small. But I definitely like the ponytail. Like, the ponytail was cute. It was very much giving. Like, this is something you could wear to the gym or just like style it really cute. Like, I really like this. Like yeah, I just like the way it was flowing and how full the ponytail was. So now I'm just taking another hair tie and I'm going to be putting the hair into a little bun just to see how it would look if you had to go for a more like professional look. But I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it just because the wig doesn't actually lay like completely flat, like it's still a little loose. So you can see like there's kind of a lump there, like it's not like slick all the way to the back. So I didn't know how I really felt about that. I was just like, it's okay. I was trying to make it work, but I didn't like it. So now I'm going to be doing a ponytail at the top of my head. And I'm just testing all these different styles because a headband wig is supposed to be very versatile. So, you know, obviously I do different styles and see like what it's looking like. Also, everything you need to know for this hair will be linked down below, like everything. Also, shop my Amazon store. I have a lot of wig products and wigs linked there as well. So that'll be listed down below as well. But yeah, this is what the messy bun was looking like. It's giving like very much like high school. Like that's how I had my hair in a messy bun. But yeah, now I'm just pulling it into a high ponytail, and it was like it was okay. Like it was cute, kinda. It was just really messy, but like you see it's giving like punk rock, like it's just a messy like side ponytail, but it was very cute though. Like I really like this hair. Like I'm actually gonna go and order one with like a regular like frontal wig water wave because I'm going on vacation in January, and I definitely want this hair. Like I'm absolutely in love with this hair. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But this was very cute. It's just giving like a little cute messy look, and this headband was cute. So like the whole look was just very cute. So next I'm just doing a low ponytail, just for the people who don't really like high ponytails, or like low ponytails are just a little bit more like professional looking, I guess, instead of high ponytails. But yeah, I wasn't feeling this neither because like I said, one, it pulled the wig back. Like any manipulation I did to this wig, it like pulled it back, so I wasn't really feeling it. So I had to like keep readjusting the headband, making sure the black part was covered. And I was trying to like get a feel for this, but I'm not really a low ponytail person. Also, when I turn sideways, you can see like there's like a lump. Like I said, it's not slick to my head, so I wasn't really feeling this. But overall, I do like this hair and I do recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you would buy this hair, and also hit that subscribe button. Road to 3K, feel me? So yeah, like, you know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.